Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make your Notion cute step by step. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette and a simple font pairing to set the mood, then create a cover image that matches and a custom icon for your workspace. Use divider blocks, consistent spacing, and tidy database views. Add a few playful widgets and an emoji system for tags. Preview on desktop and mobile to confirm layout and readability before finalizing. Pick 3 main colors and 1 accent to keep your pages cohesive, and limit fonts to 2 complementary styles. Create template pages for routine layouts and use consistent header sizes and spacing. Replace default icons with custom SVGs or emoji, and design a matching cover image. Test database properties and choose compact or full-width views for readability. Save templates and duplicate pages to maintain the cute look across your workspace. Quick recommendation: if you like things that last, go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty and durable comfort that pairs with tidy productivity habits. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and pick up a pair if you want a small win. Now let's get back to the video. Organize content with columns, toggles, and callout blocks to reduce clutter and highlight essentials. Add embeds like clocks or weather widgets sparingly to enhance utility without overwhelming the page. Use relation and roll-up properties to surface important info and automate progress indicators. Color code tags and apply consistent button styles for quick scanning. Regularly archive old content and keep a minimal home dashboard as your primary navigation hub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.